Welcome back to Contrast Music. My name's Christian. Big g'day from Australia. I'm back in Australia now doing this next live mix. I was in Vietnam for the past year and a half. It's good to be back home in Sydney, Australia. And let's get stuck right into it. Today we're doing Beggin by Maneskin. Beautiful cover. You've all heard it. Baby, I'm begging. Alright, awesome band. Just won the Eurovision, so congratulations to them. And by the end of today's live mix with me, this will look more like this and sound like this. Check it out. Okay, let's jump into this tutorial, guys. I am excited. Let's learn this. This is fun. If it's your first time watching this, you got to check out my Dance Monkey tutorial. Huge one, and it's so easy to do. This is Google Chrome Lab. Very cool, very easy, very free. Click and drag, okay? You make music by going blop, 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 and then you hit play, and there's your amazingness, okay? It's not really difficult. Like, I use this for my Year 7 classes at school. By the way, I am a high school teacher, as well as a music producer outside of that. So, if my Year 7 class can do this, no offense, Year 7s, love you guys, anybody can do this, all right? No matter what your age is, too old, too young, you got this. Follow me, okay? First thing we want to do is we want to change a few settings on Google Songmaker. And if you haven't done it, just type in Google Chrome Song Lab. Check that out first. You go boom, it's going to go in here, and you've got a couple of different options that you can play with within there, okay? My personal favorite is a song maker, and later on we might do tutorials for others if you guys would like that or request, okay? So that's what it looks like. Now, I also know that my head is in the way, all right, because of the way I'm recording this. So, and this is a big song. I can't just like sneak into a corner. So I'm going to just reposition this here so that I'm not in the way. There we go. So stop complaining and let's get stuck into it. All right, go into settings, please. Bottom right hand corner here, settings, and you want to put in the following settings, okay? It's going to be 4 bars in length, which is cool. Beats per bar is going to be 4. That doesn't change. We're going to split it into 4 to give you semiquavers. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3. We're going to go here chromatic, not pentatonic or major. Okay, you want to start off from F sharp G flat. Okay, just trust me on this. Keep it on low, and you want to go 3 octaves on this. All right, so there it is. Now, once again, if I'm going too fast, I've got everything in the description and the link. So open the description, click it there, and it'll just pop up. You can see the whole project and go from scratch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave me a comment, please. Tell me what you want next. Okay, I take requests, and I've got a request coming up. So leave me a comment, and we'll make it together. All right, so there's your working window. Now, first, change the bottom left panel, okay, because it's going to sound really trashy unless you go piano. Could do it as synth, but piano is better. And we're going to put this into a rock drum kit. All right, now the BPM of this has to be calculated. That's the speed, okay? So that just means like the beats. So if you like, ready? I'm begging you. So that's the beat right there. And a really cool website is just this one, beats per minute live online, .com. And you click once here, and then you can just, like, for example, slow with your space bar, and that gives you tempo 63. Okay, some lento, or begging you 130, 131. Okay, that's the kind of like moderato tempo that we're dealing with at the moment, or slightly faster. And remember, guys, you can be a few BPM off. It doesn't matter. Like 5 BPM, even 10, it's fine. 20, 30, you're off. Okay. So I'm just going to tell you right now that the BPM to this, or the speed, is 130. So change this to 130 for your song to actually match. Okay? 130. You can also go manual and just slide it. Okay? And that's the start. That's how we're going to go from here. Okay? So now, the next part, you're going to listen to this. Ready? Okay, so if you break down the main elements of this song, you've got bass, you got drums, you got the rhythm guitar, and you got the vocals. Okay, so let's build a band. We're going to start with the bass and the guitar or guitar. Okay, so here comes the bass. All right, so we're going to aim for low B because the first note is a B. Okay, by the way, there's only 4 chords to this song, and I did create, if I can find this, I did create a tutorial on this. So check it out. This is the actual 4 chords to the whole song, and I created a piano tutorial. Same channel, check out that video. It should be around, or check on the link description. Alright, so for the piano tutorial. That's what I'm building this off, by the way. Okay, because piano is my main instrument. You should check that out. So to do that, the first chord is going to be a B minor. Then we're going to go G, E, and F sharp. So like a really basic version would just be like B, G, E, F sharp. But we're not going to do that. Let's like take it all the way. Okay, so we're going to start off with this beat. Bum, bum, 1 and 2 and bam, bam, bam. Okay, then it's going to go up. Let's go to now the next chord is going to be your G chord. So to do G, go down to here. Okay, go and take it down too. And go to that green. So same rhythm, bam and to bam. Check this out. Okay, dum, 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 dum. Okay, now let's take it up a little bit further. Bum, ba, dum. So going to go up to the next, which is an E minor 7th chord, and I think we can just do this using a semitone approach. Da dum dum. And I'm going a bit high for the bass, I know, but if I drop it all lower, it won't work with the top melody because we're limited to 3 octaves. Just trust me, okay? I'm the music teacher here, so trust me on the music theory. If you're a bass player, stop complaining. And let's have some fun. Now I'm just going to do kind of like an offbeat approach, like ding, da-dum, okay? To bring this down to the last chord, which is an F sharp, okay? It's an F sharp dominant 7th. That's where it's the lowest note. And we've got bum, bum, and then we just bring a bum, 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 bum. Or no, semi-chromatic approach. Bum, bum, bum. Check out the bass. Ready? How about that? Da-dum, bum. You can just go ba, ba, bum if you like it. I like ba-dum, bum at the end, just to give it a bit of a twist, okay? All right, next. The chords, the rhythm. This is probably like the chunkiest part. And if you listen to the guitar, they go jang, jack, jang, 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 jang. It's got a really cool fast guitar. Listen, ready? Jang, 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 jang. Okay, jang, jang, jang. So to do that, we're gonna go here and play the 4 chords. Once again, here are your 4 chords. Guitarists should be able to recognize the top part of these symbols. If you're a decent guitarist. Again, you want to learn guitar, piano, vocals, anything, check out my website, premierepiano.shop. I do run courses as well, but check it out, okay? All for free for you right here. We're going to do a B minor 7 over A. So to do a B minor 7 over A, we're going to take the first 3 notes, which is A, D, F sharp, and we're going to place them in the right beat. Chang, chang, chang. So to do that, it's beat 2 here. So from the top, it's going to be an F sharp, then we've got a D and an A by memory. D, yes, and then A at the bottom. Oops, A, there we go. Okay, so it's bum, bop, bop, looking kind of like the Irish flag. Bum, bop, 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 bum, with the semiquavers at the end. Check this out. Cha, 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 cha. You can also just do jang, jang and get rid of this. That's another rhythm. Jang, ta, 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 ta. Okay, whatever you like. I'm going to leave it as the original, but have some fun once you've got the rhythm in. You can change it around, whatever you want to do. Our next chord is G major 7 over B. So to change that, we're going to go up here and bass it from middle to the same middle notes here. Okay, bum, ba, bum. For the top note, we're going to leave similar. Okay, so nothing changes except for that bottom note. Okay, I'm making it very cool and simple for you guys. Down to down to down. Check it out. Okay, bam, ba, bam, ba, bam. Okay, now if you want it to be exactly like I did the mix, you would leave this for beat 2. Okay, so again, I recommend just follow as is so you don't get confused. But once you're in there, play with it, mix it around. That's the point of music production. Have some fun. Get something original out. That's the point. Okay, so have some fun with it. Our third chord is E minor 7 over B. So to do that, we're going to go to beat 2 again. We're going to start off with our pink lines at the bottom. Okay, I'll just use colors to save you guys the music theory. But this is a dominant, sorry, a minor 7th. I mean, even added a 9th in there somewhere. Using this. Ba-boom. And now I've doubled the bass here, yellow, you can see with yellow, because it is like an extension chord, and without the proper bass, it doesn't sound great. And you can't do minims or long notes here on Google Chrome. It's just it's what it is, okay? It's free software, you can't complain. So just move it along. Then we've got with the final chord, which is our F sharp dominant 7th over A sharp. And to do that, you're going to grab these chords here, basically dropping everything down by like 2 or a little bit more, like this. Okay, check it out. Ready? Here we go. Yeah, and that's the guitar part. Okay, now let's move it on to the drums. Love the drums. Listen to it. It's a really cool drum beat. Very cool. So you can start like boom, jack, boom, jack. And it's going to sound like this, but it's just totally, like, don't do this. Don't do this. Okay, that's like year 7 drums. And again, no offense to my year 7s, but there's some year 7s that I got that really kill it. They play way better than that. So, like, let's do this for them. For all my year 7ers or more who actually take lessons. Check this out. Boom, jack, da-dum, jack, dum, da-dum, jack, boom, jack, boom, jack. That's the first two. Check it out. Yeah, boom, jack, jam. Okay, sounds good. Let's add a double kick and then a snare at the end. Okay, now we're gonna go boom, jack, boring, dum, jack, dum, and check this out. Now I want to just like go nuts on that last one. Yeah, it's like so like we're gonna like snap, snap, boom, 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 boom. So let's bring that out just by going kick, snare on beat 1, kick, snare on beat 1, and then just like kick, 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 snare, 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 snare. It's too bad we don't have hi-hats or anything else. We can just really rock out. But check it. Yeah, how good's that? Love it. Alright, now we're finally missing lyrics. Begging you. By the way, you can chuck in a mic here and do other things with it, but let's not ruin the take right now. Just stick to the production. So to do this, let's go to the melody. Begging. Dum bum 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 bum. We're gonna start off here, okay? And again, I'm using colors to make it easy for you guys. When I say colors, Google Chrome's matching everything else, okay? But you should be playing this on the piano and you'd be in the key of B minor, so that would help a lot. Or relative major is D. If you know D major scale or B natural minor, that would help you a lot on the piano. But let's go colors. Pink, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow, pink, yellow. But you should know the theory. If you knew the theory, you could do this without my help. You wouldn't need this tutorial. Good ear training too is important. Okay, so I'm begging, begging you, so put your, to step down, loving hands on me, baby. Oops, there it is, baby. Now, to move that over here, to make it loop, I'm going to move it here, get rid of that, and it's already been put there, okay? So, baby, oomph. Check it out, we're done. I'm begging you, so put your loving hands on me, darling. Love it. That is it. Hit save. It'll give you a link. You copy that link in there, copy it, paste it, boom. Magic happens, okay? And then you can replicate it and redo it again. So once again, this was Beggin by Maneskin, which is a cover, by the way. And that was the Google Chrome live mix. I hope you enjoyed it. Once again, my name was Christian. I'm from Controls Music, Premierepiano. Gotta check out my site. Just do it. Premierepiano.shop. I've got a ton of stuff for you guys under freemium. All these tutorials are under freemium. I'm not even advertising my paid course. I'm just telling you, freemium, it's all there. Chuck it in. I send you the whole thing. You can download PDF lessons here. Look, there they all are. All my stuff is free, guys. I've even put tracks for those who practice music and those who want to get into music. All free stuff. I do it, guys, in the studio and at home to give you the best for free. And don't forget to check out all my other tutorials. I got a ton there, okay? But you want the freebies, chuck in this, and I'll send you the screenshot of the whole project. That'll be a lot of fun, wouldn't it? Then you don't have to mess around, okay? So check it out. There it is. There's the link. There's the lab. There's everything, my website. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next live stream. Drop a comment and a like. Share this video. And I'll see you then. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, Christian from Controls Music.